The ADA book is a great place to start when you are trying to understand ADA compliance and digital accessibility. What the ADA book amounts to is it's a succinct overview of the legal landscape complemented by information on practical implementation and approach, and really understanding the industry and the different terms that are used. So you may have seen the terms audit, user testing, scans, checkers, overlays, Section 504, Section 508, VPATs, ACRs. When you start to unpack everything and look at the details, it can seem like there is more going on than there is. And so what the ADA book does is it accelerates this knowledge and helps you put everything into context so that you are working from a strong knowledge foundation and you can move forward with informed decisions. So beyond the ADA book, there's this channel which really is a lot of the sections in the ADA book in video format. But this channel, if you actually go through all of the videos, it's going to take you much longer to go through everything than it would be if you just read the ADA book. Where I would see this, how I see this channel functioning is if you have any specific questions, or if you want an elaboration on what I wrote in the ADA book, this channel, you can look up the videos and you can find videos specific to almost every section in the ADA book, where I expound upon my thoughts, or I reiterate what you can read in the book. And I've also got a Medium, a channel on Medium where I post Medium articles, and some of these articles are years old, but most of the information has been updated, although some I still need to edit some articles. But a common theme, what you'll see with this channel and the ADA book, is the information is presented precisely and accurately without any slant. I've remained as objective as possible. And while yes, I do offer services through accessible.org, and yes, I do recommend the ADA book to everyone, especially because it's the book I would have wanted to read when I got started with this. That's how I wrote the book, is if I was getting started in website accessibility and trying to learn this space, and from any point of view. It could be from a defense attorney's point of view, it could be from a Shopify owner's point of view, anybody's point of view. If you're trying to learn the space, the ADA book is where you start. But even at that, with my information, with my channels, I'm not pushing services, and I certainly don't slant the information to fit what I need to sell. What I do is I present information, and if you want to act upon that information through me, through my services, then I make sure you know about my services, that I make sure you know about my book. But that's it. I don't try to push anything. I'm not trying to sell anything, other than really trying to bring information forward so that everyone has a working knowledge of what they need to know in this space, and really the essentials. So that's where I would start if I was trying to learn about ADA compliance, website accessibility, digital accessibility, and trying to figure this out. And if you search for Kris plus any of these key terms, you'll probably find that I come up, because I try to anticipate. One, through experience, I know what the common questions are, but then two, I anticipate what common questions might arise as you get started. So I'll put links to Accessible and the ADA book below. And then if you have any questions, leave a comment and I will attempt to get to it.